Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Apollo Group TV app on Fire Stick, right? So make sure you watch this video till the end. Now very first thing you have to do that is turn off the Fire Stick snooping settings. And what I mean by this, as you can see here, to first of all you have to go to the preferences of your account, and once you go to here you will get this option of privacy settings. Click on it. Once you click on it, here you will get this option of device usage data, right? And here if you're security conscious, this is a very important step because you need to turn this off. Once they aren't turned off, Amazon will no longer block you from using Apollo Group TV IPTV services, right? So make sure you do this. After that, you have to allow third party. Now just go back, then you have to click on My Fire TV here, go to the developer option, and once you're here, then you have to go and click on Install Unknown Apps. Once you do this, here you have to search for downloader, right? So downloader is will help us to download Apollo TV. Now once you go and click on downloader, you have to install it, and this is how it's look. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up. Now it will ask you to enter the URL of the application which you want to download. So I've already mentioned it here. You can just exactly copy and paste this, and here automatically it will start downloading. And once you do here, just like in our phone, it will ask us to install it, and then you just go and install, right? And you should now be able to see this when you open the IPTV Smarter app. Now let's set up Apollo Group TV on IP Smarter. So here you have to download Apollo Group TV on Fire Stick, and you will have received a URL from your Apollo TV support in an email. You will need to add the URL as an M3U link in Apollo Group TV app to get all the best TV shows and movies on the Fire Stick. Taking the URL from your email, open upload your playlist. This is a top left button on the IPTV Smarter's home screen, which is here by the way, if you forgot. Now, and you should see a menu like this. Click down to the playlist type section and then click the M3U URL and button. Then all you have to do is type in the URL you received from the Apollo Group TV team. Here's what it looked like when you did it, but you won't be getting our links, right? And then click add user and you should be redirected to this screen. And then the Apollo Group TV profile that we set up, clicking on this link will take you to the IPTV home screen where you can find all your favorite live channels, TV shows, and movies. So this is a long process, but if you follow the each and every step very carefully, you will surely able to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.